I use my XP conveyor roller in the wood shop. It's perfect for infeed or outfeed support on a portable planer or a drum sander, and that's typically where I use mine most. The height range on these is easily adjustable, and it'll go from 23 inches all the way up to over 41 inches high. And the tallest stationary tool in my shop is the bandsaw, and the table on that's about 38 inches, so these will even work for a tall tool like that. And if floor space is at a premium in your shop, you can even get one 14-inch and one 20-inch, and they'll actually nest nicely together. If you have a complicated layout or something, you could set up several of these and curve them, but of course what I normally do is just stretch them out straight for in and out feed support. And with that Laguna link, it'll lock really solidly in place. Just tighten the knob and you're good to go. And what's impressive is what a rigid platform that becomes once it's locked, and of course the casters are locking as well, so this really becomes a useful tool, not only for infeed and outfeed, but just for a general work platform in your shop. And that's the idea with these threaded posts. There's one at each corner, and you can actually drill a hole on the underside of a worktop and make this into kind of a mobile bench. Otherwise, you can just spin these down and use it as a conveyor. And there's scales on the side, so it's really easy to see where you're setting your height to. Just drop it into the desired height and lock it in place. And if you have two conveyors of the same width, they can actually link together with these connectors. So if you're looking for a really sturdy conveyor or just some basic infeed and outfeed support, I would definitely recommend this XP20 conveyor. Or you could pick up an XP14 as well and take advantage of the fact that they nest nicely together for storage. I'll have links down below if you want to research the XP14 and XP20 conveyors for yourself.